What should I do if I notice implantation bleeding?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into an important topic for anyone who's trying to conceive or just wants to understand their body better. We'll be talking about implantation bleeding. It's a natural process that occurs early in pregnancy, and understanding it can help alleviate any concerns you might have.
What is implantation bleeding?
First off, let's understand what implantation bleeding is. It's a form of very mild spotting that happens when the fertilized egg attaches itself to the interior lining of your uterus. This typically occurs about a week or two after conception.
How to identify implantation bleeding?
Understanding how to identify implantation bleeding is crucial. It differs from regular menstrual bleeding in several ways. 1. Timing. Implantation bleeding generally occurs a week before your expected period. 2. Color. It's usually lighter in color, often light pink or brown, unlike menstrual bleeding, which is typically bright red. 3. Flow. The bleeding is usually very light, and some women might not notice it at all. It's not like a typical menstrual period. 4. Cramping. Some women may experience mild cramping along with implantation bleeding. If you notice these signs, you might be experiencing implantation bleeding.
What should I do if I notice implantation bleeding?
If you notice what you believe to be implantation bleeding, there are a few steps to consider. 1. Don't panic. Remember, it's a natural process associated with early pregnancy. 2. Monitor the bleeding. Keep an eye on its color, consistency, and duration. If it gets heavier, more like a regular period, or lasts longer than 3 days, it might not be implantation bleeding. 3. Take a pregnancy test. If the bleeding stops and your period doesn't start, consider taking a home pregnancy test. Wait until after the day your period was due to get the most accurate result. 4. Contact a healthcare professional. If you're unsure or if you're experiencing severe pain, heavy bleeding, or any other worrying symptoms, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Implantation bleeding is a common early sign of pregnancy. It's important to know the signs and understand what to do if you notice it. Remember, the most crucial step is to stay calm and observe the situation. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Hopefully, this video has given you some clarity about implantation bleeding. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.